Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss Indian Institute of Technology Madras, which has released notification for special drive vacancies for SC, ST, OBC, NCL, EWS. Let's see the important information. Qualification and experience. As per qualification is concerned, candidate should be PhD with first class or equivalent at preceding degrees, specialization in the appropriate area branch with consistently good academic record, experience for assistant professor grade 2, candidate with less than 3 years of industrial research teaching experience may be considered, and for assistant professor grade 1, candidate with at least 3 years of industrial research teaching experience may be considered for the post. Application submission deadline is December 2nd, 2021, and all the details related to advertisement and submission of application is given at their website, which is iitm.ac.in. If you have further queries related to these vacancies, you can contact Dean Administration IIT Madras Chennai, and email ID is deanadmins@iitm.ac.in. Let's see further details. In the application, you have to provide the following information: teaching plan, research plan, details of journal, conference paper listed in reverse chronological order, awards, patent prizes, etc. Research guided PhD, MS only with formal guide, co-guide status, role in details of sponsor research and consulting project carried out, other activities, important service role. All this information you have to provide in your application. One more important information is you have to contact your referee to send their reference letter to the head of the concerned department, IIT Madras Chennai, through email before December 15, 2021. Let's see the pay structure. For the post of assistant professor grade 2, pay level of 10 will be given, and for the post of assistant professor grade 1, pay level of 12 will be given. A lot of information is given here. I am discussing what I feel is relevant according to me. You can read rest of the details yourself. Let's see the vacancies here. Specialization area, specific qualification requirement is given, and department in which vacancies is out is aerospace, applied mechanics, biotechnology, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil engineering, computer science engineering, electrical engineering, engineering design, and humanities and social sciences, management studies, mathematics, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, ocean engineering, physics. You can check further details related to area of specialization and specific qualification as per your subject. This is all about the vacancies issued by IIT Madras. To get the similar updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.